How's a fire truck sound?
Woo!
Is that how it sounds?
Yes.
And what do fire trucks do?
He doesn't like cameras.
What do fire trucks do? They what? What? They what?
The trash can.
Say it again?
In the trash can.
They put them in the trash can?
Yes.
Oh, what do they put in the trash can? They put fires in the trash can?
No. The horses and the cows?
Yeah, that's for horses. Yep.
Yes.
Yes?
So
Where are we going?
the horses
We're going to go see the horses
and sheeps.
and the sheeps. What sound does horses make?
Bah!
That's right. What sound does sheep make?
Bah!
What sound do pigs make?
Oh,
What sound do elephants make?
ah!
You're so good at them.